Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to solve or get rid of common errors. Whenever we do any calculation, we may find some errors are coming. So in this video, we will learn what kind of errors you may get and how you can get the solution of it. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment. Let's begin. The most common error in Excel is this one. It is related to number, but whenever you use this number or cell reference in any calculation, it does not affect. This error is only for display purpose. Whenever number is bigger than the width of the column or the cell, you cannot see the number. The solution for this, you have to increase the width of the column. Just double click over here, you can see the complete number, but as I already told, it will not affect the calculation. For example, I use these cells to do the sum, but there is no impact of this error in the calculation. It is for display only. It also does not affect any text. It affects only the numbers. The solution is just increase the width or double click. It will auto fit the width of this column. The next common error is hash value. Let's say I want to calculate the difference of sales of Q1 and Q2. If I go over here and paste over here, increase the weight. So here there is no value. Excel considered 0. That is why we can see the same amount of sales of Q1 over here. But if I type any text, let's say I type missing, so I get the error hash value and I will not get the calculation of this as well. I will get the error. So how we can get rid of this? So Excel can do the calculation of numbers only. Here we have one text. That is why Excel is not able to do any calculation. To get rid of this, you have to use sum function and give the reference of the cell, and if you copy and you paste, now we got our exact number or the correct number. Now the Excel is not considering this text as a text. It converted into 0 right now. The next error is spill. It is introduced in Office 365 or Office 2021. In previous versions of Excel, you won't find this error because it is apply only for unique or some filter functions which is introduced in Office 365 only. You can use these in online Office. As you can see, I logged in the browser in OneDrive, which is absolutely free. I can do the all calculations and use the latest functions such as filter or unique. So let's say I put some text over here and now I need to identify the unique values from this range. I will use unique function and I'll give the reference of these cells. If I press enter, we find this error spill because this text is coming in this way. If I simply remove this one, we will get our values because there are 4 common values are coming. If I put any text or number over here, it won't display. You will get the error hash spill. The next error is hash name. Why I'm getting this error? Because I have written the wrong function. If I select this one, I can see total. I used total function, but there is no total function available in the Excel. So Excel won't recognize and you will get the hash name. The solution for this is to rectify your function and you got the desired result. Same is here. So if I remove, press enter, I got the values. I got the total of this amount. The next error is has reference. Why we get this error? Sometimes we use the reference of the cells and by mistake we delete that one. For example, if I do the calculation, I need difference of these two values, and if I drag this answer to here, so I'm getting correct answer, but by mistake if I delete this column, the reference of the B1 has been deleted and system give you the error. This also happens whenever you copy the function to somewhere there is no reference available. Here system use relative reference. That is why it is considering the reference of the left hand side column, but that actually not available. So you got the reference, so you have to check carefully before deleting any column or row or copy any formula. The next error we are facing in Excel is hash diff 0. Why we are getting? As you know that in mathematical calculation we cannot divide something by 0. If we do, we get error. Same happen in the Excel as well. So let's say I want to calculate the percentage of difference between these two cells. So what we do, we divide these, and if I double click over here, we got the error hash diff 0. System will consider 0 if the cell is empty. That is why we are getting this error. So you can use many functions like if, but you have to use the traditional, which is available only for error handling, only if error. So let me explain how we can use this one. It start with equal sign, if error. If you type, select this one, here you do your formula. Let's say I want to divide this amount by this amount, and then comma. Here you have to enter a value. If system is getting any error, what the value you want to display over here. In this case, I'm not gonna display any value. I want empty cell. If there is an error, for this we have to enter 2 quotation mark and close the bracket, press enter and drag the formula, and you can see here there is no values, but on the upper side we are getting the values. So if I enter any value over here, system will give you the calculation. So these are some common errors you can face in Excel and how you get the solution for this. I hope you like this video. Do comment, subscribe my channel if you are new, click on bell icon to get the alert whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.